Time to drill down on more markets. Now, we saw heavy sell offs yesterday in the crypto market. We saw Bitcoin down about 8%, followed global equities markets like the Nasdaq and the S&P 500 that fell to new lows. See, the Bitcoin market actually followed that. Let's look at the market cap this morning. It's $1.67 trillion. That's down about 6.85% this morning. That's the market cap for the total crypto space. Volume traded $115.98 billion. That's up about 14.33% from the sell-offs we saw this morning. Bitcoin dominance sits at 41.45%. We see the price of Bitcoin there, $36,412. Massive drop there for Bitcoin this morning from yesterday. And we see Bitcoin actually struggled to clear the 40K resistance, but it formed a high near 40K and started a fresh decline to levels not seen in a while there, 36,412. And we see the price of Ethereum there, $2,743. That's down up 6.35%. We know what happens once Bitcoin sneezes, the whole market shakes at this point. Top also market cap is all red on that counter. We're seeing double-digit losses across the market at this point. All right, let's bring in Michael Enaji now, digital market analyst. Hello, Michael. Good morning.
Good morning, Letty. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, happy, heavy red Friday, Michael. Massive sell-offs we saw yesterday on the Nasdaq, Bitcoin, S&P 500, and it all came, after good news. The market reacting positively to, the Fed's 50 basis points increase in rates, but wasn't as aggressive as the 75 basis points that was expected. But that rally did not last. We're seeing massive sell-offs. What's moving the market at this point?
Yeah, so most people thought that a Fed that is 25 basis points lesser in terms of how much they were going to tighten, the pace of they're going to tighten rather than 75. Powell said that he's going to be looking forward to 50 basis point increases. And so the market in the brief moment found that bullish. But in no ways is that actually bullish, because what you actually realize it entails is rather than go 75 basis points, we're just going to go 50 basis points, which is not that big of a spread in between the two. Ideally, most people would actually like the Fed to act faster. But in no way is it bullish. I think it was just something that provided a momentary time of relief, and so that just gave us a relief rally to where we are. Like I've been saying, I don't think economic conditions are going to get better anytime soon. I do think as the Fed tightens and ratchets up their efforts to taper down the monetary supply, I really do feel Bitcoin goes much lower, at least to 24 to 28K, and can go as low as 16,000. But this is just the start of that unwind.
Wow.
There's still more downside to come.
I guess that's the crypto winter most people have talked about right there. But looking at other news in the market, we saw BitMEX founders paying $30 million and no jail term for breaking bank secrecy laws. What are you hearing about that?
Yeah, so it's $30 million that they want the three founders to post up, and the founders are asking that there be no jail time actually. So right now it's looking like they will not receive jail time, as this is one of the first cryptocurrency convictions that we're seeing the CFTC bring down for breaking anti-money laundering laws. So this is the first precedent. I doubt they put the whole they put the whole law book down on them. I really do think it's not as intense. They're not going to see any jail time. Arthur Hayes has pleaded that he wants to have the ability to travel, and he is no longer working in the crypto industry, so the risk of him reoffending is very low. So overall, the odds probability of them finishing jail time is very low. But the 30 million they definitely have to pay,
Right.
which is a
Well,
drop in the bucket.
that's a real drop there. All right, Michael. Well, but interesting to see how the market plays out. Over the weekend, we know the crypto market doesn't sleep, and we're seeing these sell-offs start at this point. I wonder where Bitcoin is going over the weekend and maybe till about next week. But let's see how it all
Probably
plays out.
lower.
Guess it's a red weekend expectations. All right, Michael. Thank you so much. Always great to have you on the program, and enjoy your weekend.
Thank you, Laddie. You as well.
All right, now look at the top five gainers this morning. We're seeing more of stable coins and Anchor Protocol there up 14%. Anchor Protocol is the only one that's not a stable coin that's up this morning, up 14%. The rest are stable coins. Shows that traders are running into stable coins to try and protect some of the profit they have in there. Flip over to the top five losers. We see Zilliqa there. Did start a run recently, but that's erased with this 20% drop this morning. And we see Step in there also down 20%, double-digit losses with Ape Coin there, down about 16.82%. And Axie Infinity also taking a hit there, down 14%. So it's a really red market we're seeing in the crypto space this Friday. All right, that's it for the crypto market. And that's it for the show today. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, we at Channels Television do not sell or advise on securities or cryptocurrencies. All we do is track the market as a news source. All right, thank you so much for watching. It was great having you this week. Enjoy the weekend coming. I'm Ladi Williams. Bye for now.